goody good, you guys? So I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing Tail of the Dragon. If you don't know what Tail of the Dragon is, it is like 11 miles of just like 300 something turns on this mountain, and it's going to be amazing. But right now we're at a standstill. Somebody on a bike lost it and ran off road, and that's the thing. This is a heavy populated public street or road or whatever, and a lot of people don't take in consideration about that, and they always move around and, you know, try and cross the double line, and you're not supposed to cross the double line on that. So, you know, you just got to be careful and drive safely, man. But it's gonna be some great footage. I'll probably set up the phone. It might be in vertical, I don't know. I'm gonna try my best and get what I can for you guys, but it should be tons of twists and turns. It should be good little turbo sounds and wastegate sounds, and it should just be all together pretty fun. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy me versus Tail of the Dragon. On the motorcycle that lost control, he's gonna get air flied out. So I don't know who it was, just a random person driving today, but this is where you really got to just be careful, take your time, and just enjoy it. A lot of people push their limits, and this is not the place to push your limits. You can lose your life, lose your car, lose your motorcycle, whatever, man. So more on that. This is the beginning of Tail of the Dragon. Guys, this is amazing. Amazing. I'll trim a little bit of the video up, but as you see, there's tons of motorcyclists, and that is why I say do not cross the double-sided line. These guys really get into it, and they're leaning super hard, and you gotta just be careful. Right about here is when we start to get a little bit rowdy and a little bit more on the aggressive side of driving. The speed limit is 30, but back in the day it used to be 55, so we wanted to keep it around 55. And it's pretty cool. Right around this corner, people take pictures. Pretty cool. We had a person that was in front of us and they pulled off to the side. It's a courtesy thing. You'll see here in a second, and you also see once again why I say don't cross the double-sided line.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Jeez. Just in case we need it. It's not for me, it's for him. My buddies, go ahead, go in front of me. Number one rule is don't cross the lines. I didn't cross the lines. I think I'm okay here. We just pulled over because our buddy got pulled over. Don't cross the lines when you get here at Tail of the Dragon. Don't. That's why, mainly because there's bikes out here. There's bikes too, so you don't want to cross the line. So, but I gotta go. I'll let you guys know what's going on. It's an eventful trip. Dear Lord, don't let me get no tickets. You just got a ticket. I bet you it's for crossing the lines. I can guarantee you it's for crossing the lines. All right. And we're back off, but we have a cop behind us now. Oh, that was great. I heard the sirens and I'm like, no. All right, so to save a lot of the drive, I'll basically just, you heard what I said there. He pulled over. He's waiting for some more cars to do exactly what we did. And, we were unsure how many cops were on the road at that point, so we just kind of drove it down slow. And what you do is you're at the top of the mountain, and then you drive all the way down. And when you get to the bottom, you have the choice of going to other roads or going, back up the mountain. So we just chose to actually go back up the mountain, but when you get to the area down there, there's a spot to eat and there's a spot to where you can get your pictures. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's people off on the side of the road taking pictures too. So that's where we got our pictures from. But we were so excited about everything that happened and talking about everything, I forgot to record being there. And it's okay because it almost gives you a reason to have to go and experience this for yourself. I'll put a couple pictures up here. And so I'm going to put up the video of us going back up the hill, but point of view, we put the GoPro on the back of my buddy's Tesla, and we'll just get some good action to that. That a lot of people don't notice is that you actually go into North Carolina temporarily when you get down to the bottom of the mountain. So you switch over from Tennessee to North Carolina. So keep on the right side, you'll see it. about to do is, you see there's a bike and there's there was a white car behind us too. But we'll pull over off the side. Obviously, these guys want to go a little bit faster than us. So as a courtesy, you pull over to the side, you let them pass you. That's why they have those little things right there that you can get off on the side. And boom, they're ahead of us. We're going at our own speed. Guys, that ends our Tail of the Dragon. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry it was in vertical. That was the only way that I could shoot it. There's tons of bikers here, tons of cars. It's just a whole vibe out here. Everybody enjoyed it. I got a 6-hour trip back home now, and I really highly recommend that you guys come out here. As you've seen, there's dangers to doing this. It's just, there's safety to it. You will get penalized if you're not. So man, I really hope you guys enjoy it. Like I say every time, I appreciate y'all subscribing and following and watching. And like I said, I'm just going to keep trying to do what I can do for you guys and bring y'all some fire content. So, all right. Until next time, you guys. Peace.